Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Welcome back to my channel. We are here for another day of our countdown to Christmas with our advent calendar. And what we have today going into my Etsy is a little mini album. So I used to make these all of the time and absolutely loved making them. And then obviously over the time I've kind of, stopped making them really and, veered on to junk journals instead. But I do still really love them. So this is a size 6x6 little mini album. It's held on little rings and then it's just got a bunch of lace and kind of fabrics and things all just tied around at a sort of, shabby chic kind of style on the rings. And then the front and back, they're chipboard, which you can buy specially for, making mini albums. It's been covered in scrapbook papers. And then you've got some lace here just covering where you've got the ribbon closure, and then similar on the front you've got the lace where it's covering up the ribbon closure there. And then you've got one of my puffed yo-yo flowers, and this is actually some what do you call this, like metal. It was from a little tiny kind of picture frame, and then you've got the sort of metal going around here around the edge, and then I stamped on some fabric and kind of put it into the metal like frame, I suppose. And then you've just got a bit of lace down here and then a bow on the top of there. So super pretty cover. And then it just is held closed, with some ribbon, which I kind of doubled the ribbon up like that, so it's just a sort of bit more pretty. And actually I will be sticking one of my Handmade by Shabby Dabby Doodah labels on the back, so I've yet to do that. And then also just here on the side, just for a bit more decorative interest, I've just got this large sort of crystal thing hanging. So when it's kind of, shut, you've got a large sort of crystal there, just droplet hanging down. And then going into the album, I have to say, looking at this, I kind of have forgotten how much I do really love these mini albums, I have to say. So I might have to make some more of these. So on the inside of the front cover, you've just got this little foldy kind of piece here, and you've got obviously little space there. And these can be used for either photos or journaling. Now I have to say, I've actually made a few of these for my own, for our family kind of memorabilia. And I've used these for like photos and things, and they're just so super cute. And then you've got some stamped images, a little Martha Stewart butterfly, some lace down here with some bling down the edge, and then a flower with a big sort of leaf there, a little bit of kind of ephemera there, and a little bit of stamping. And then on the facing page, a big photo mat there, and then some other bits layered. Again, some lace down the side with some ribbon and a bow. And then just tucked in to the pocket, you've just got, again, a couple of little cute journaling cards there. So again, for journaling or photos, either of those are fine. And then going over the page, we've got some lace trim down the side again, and then you've got some bling going right down the whole side of the page there. This is a flower. This was from a little bridesmaid sort of headdress. So that looks really cute on there. And then you've got, again, a couple of like photo mats on the page. And this one's a tuck spot, this one's a pocket. And then you've just got a couple of little journaling cards that just tuck into there. So that one goes in. That one goes in there. Oops. A little bit fiddly. And then that one goes in there. And then on the facing page, again, a couple of kind of photo mats or journaling spots. You've got a sort of acetate stamped image there of a little postcard, a flower, some lace trim and a bow. And then this one's also a little tuck spot here for just a small journaling card there. So obviously you've got the two photo mats there. Then going over the page, oops, something's dropped out. Wonder where that actually belongs. It's hard to remember when you do these things, isn't it? Maybe it just tucked in here actually. Okay, so on this page you've got this large pocket down the side, and then you've got some lace trim and some ribbon, a bow, and then a flower. And then tucked in there you've got a couple of journaling cards like that you can just journal on again, or kind of put some photos on and things. And then you've got here just a nice kind of like journaling label. So they just tuck in like that. And then here you've got, again, just a nice little foldy up sort of what do you call this, like a booklet folding up. Again, it's got a little pearl kind of trim, and then some lace and a bow, a little journaling spot down here, and then some lace running down with some ribbon and bling. One of those Tim Holtz rosettes there, and a bow. And then going over the page again, you've got some lace trim and some bling running right down the side, and then you've got a couple of kind of photo mats there, so one here, some little images sort of clustered up there, a flower and a journaling spot, and then oops, the little journaling card there that just goes in here. And then on this one you've got some lace again, and then you've got this gorgeous brown ribbon with this lovely bow on there, a bow up here, and then again a photo mat here, and then you've got a journaling spot here, and then again tucked in you've got another little journaling card there. So that just tucks in like that. And then going over the page, you've got again another gorgeous like photo mat here, and then you've got this lovely stamped frame on acetate, and it's got a stamped image behind it, so it's kind of framing the image, but it's actually separate to the image. And then you've got a journaling card there, again that just tucks into the tuck spot there. You've got some lace and a flower, and then a little journaling card here and a gorgeous butterfly. And then on this page, again, just some lace trim, some bling, a little bow and some ribbon. A little sort of few objects down there that I've just glued on for interest, and then just another little flippy up sort of booklet there with a bow, so super cute. And then this is the back of the book. So here you've got a bigger sort of photo mat here that's again a pocket, and you've just got a little journaling card, oops, tucked in up there, little journaling spot, and then some ribbon, a flower and a leaf, and then obviously lace down the side. You've just got a stamped bird there and a bit of stamping in the corners. And then the same on the inside of the back cover, you've got some lace trim running down, some ribbon, and then a bow. And then you've just got a few little elements down here, including this metal sort of charm that I've just glued on. And then this is also forming a pocket. And again, you've got sort of journaling space here, and then more journaling space on there. And as I say, I mean, these photo mats, they're really fine for either photographs, or, you know, you could gesso over them and write over them. Obviously, depending on the pen colour, you can write on them just as they are. But they're really nice little books, I think, and they make really nice little keepsakes of, you know, just events, and yeah, nice little things to keep. So that's the mini album. And as I've said every day so far, this will be going into my Etsy at 2 p.m. today. So that's 2 p.m. my time, which is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, if you wanted to check that out, that's the time that it will be listed in my Etsy shop. I hope that you like it. And yeah, that completes day 8 of our Advent calendar. And yeah, I will see you hopefully tomorrow for our continuation of our countdown to Christmas with my Advent calendar, and see what's on offer for tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks then.